Hello everyone, welcome to the e-learning platform of JMS The School Pushkar. In this session, we will discuss the social studies of class 9. I will introduce you with the whole subject, or I will give you the complete knowledge of this subject, social studies. Social studies of class 9 becomes the area of social science become broader than your previous classes. It contains 4 books. The name of the history book is India and the Contemporary World, Geography, Contemporary India first, Civics, Democratic Politics first, and Economics. Economics subject is new for you all. So let's see the history part of class 9th. India and the Contemporary World first, and its contents are divided into 2 parts. The first section is events and process, and the second section is livelihoods, economies, and societies. The first section contains the events and its processes that include the French Revolution, the second is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The third is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. The section 2 contain livelihoods, economies and societies. Fourth is society and colonialism, and the fourth is pastoralists in the modern world. Let's see the civics part of class 9th, that is democratic politics first. It contains the 5 chapters, and the first chapter is what is democracy, why democracy, in which we study about the democracy and its mean. The second chapter contains constitutional design, in which we study the constitution, how did it formed and what is its process of formation. And the third is electoral politics, in which we are studying the election or electoral method. And the fourth chapter is working of institution or the government body, how does it work. And the fifth chapter is democratic rights, the rights that are given by the government to all the citizens. The geography part, contemporary India, contains 6 parts or the 6 chapters, and the first chapter is study of India, and in which we will study the area of India and so many types of topics. The second is physical features of India, in which we will study about it, how the physical features are explained in this chapter. And the third is drainage in India, and the fourth is the climate, and the fifth chapter, that is natural vegetation and the wildlife. The sixth chapter is the population. The fourth subject that is new for you is economics, in which we study the story of Palampur is an imaginary story that will help you to clear the concepts of basics of economics. The chapter 2 is people as resources. The third is poverty as a challenge, and the fourth chapter is food security in India. So that was the complete introduction of the social studies. In the next session, we will start the study of our history part. Thank you so